All right, what I'm going to show you is an example of data that it'll kick out sometimes if there's no matching data, right? There's no matching record in the table. So what I've got loaded up here is Texas counties, of course, and I'm going to join this data with something called, with a file I have called raw AADR. If I can find that, I'll show it to you real quick. Should be under main sample data. Yeah, right. So raw AADR is raw age-adjusted death rates. I don't remember what the death rate was for. It was for some disease. So it's age-adjusted. You don't have to know what that is. Just know that what we're looking at here is the total number of deaths and then age-adjusted death rate. Here we see place of residence. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to clean this up just a hair. Bear with me a second. It's not going to recognize it. There we go. Place of residence. Hit save. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to join raw AADR with Texas counties. To do that, we'll right click on it. Well, actually, you know what? Let's look at the attribute table first. We see in our attribute table we've got county names here and then county LCase here, county lowercase. And since we have a lowercase deal there, we see these are all lowercase. That's what we're going to join against. We're going to join this data to this data here, right? Should be easy. So let's see what happens. Minimize that. We'll go join. It's going to be, we said it was LCase. LCase. Okay, so we're going to join it to, let's go find that data. We said raw AADR.csv. It's going to be place of residence. Okay, so we're going to keep all records. What we're going to do is we're going to do validate join, okay? And when we click this, we're going to see that it's going to come up with like 232 of 254 records. If you know anything about Texas, you know there's 254 counties in Texas. So it should have 254 matching records. Why are there only 232? That means that, you've got, with that 22 records that are being kicked out. 22 counties didn't match data, right? And that's what this last bit here, join validation errors. Something's not matching here. So let's hit close when we cancel, and we can examine this attribute table. We'll see that some of these, we take a look at this, and it looks okay. These are all county names. And we'll look at this right here. We see that Austin County is CNTY, and then we see Burleson County. So let's sort this by ascending. We see that Austin, see here it's listed as Austin space CNTY. So this is called data clean. What you have to do to get that cleaned up is you have to go in here, delete that space, right? And then we see that Burleson County is like that. We're like, who wants to do all this cleanup stuff? Data cleaning is a big part of GIS, and an easy way to do that, we can just do a replace on it. We can hit, we said it was space CNTY, and we'll replace it with nothing. Replace all, made 17 replacements for us. I didn't do all of them, but let's save on this. And we'll try to do that join again. Bring that back down. Let's try to do that join again and see how many are joined now. We'll go county LCase. We said it was not that, but this. Yeah, raw AADR, place of residence. We're going to keep all records. We're going to validate that join. 250. So we're missing 4 now, right? So you've got to go back in and figure out what data is missing, in this. And we start kind of scrolling down. Def Smith, that's got a space in it. Let's see what Def Smith looks like over here. Yeah, Def Smith's got a space. So you kind of got to take a good look at. You got to get a feel of, this may be abbreviated somewhere. So let's go take a look at Fort Bend. Yeah, Fort Bend is not abbreviated. That's good. I'm trying to match this data manually. Um, I believe the difference is here within these three, I believe. Let's take a look. The MCs. Yeah. I haven't looked at this data in a while. Yeah, because we've got MC capital C right here. So we know that our data here should match this. So we're going to go in here. We're going to make that a small c. Make this a small L. Make this a small m. Enter. Save. Let's try that join again. Should come up with 253. Add. Place of residence. Validate join. 252. So I'm missing 2. Let's make sure that those 3 are locked in. Color. McLennan. There we go. There's 1. Okay, there should be 1 more down here. I don't remember what it is. Like I said, I haven't done this in a while, so I haven't looked at this data in a while. But that's kind of the thing about GIS is data cleaning. You have to kind of get a feel for what may be wrong. And all of this stuff will just get kicked out. So we'll delete all this. Don't really need that. I think you get the feel for this, though. Scroll back up to the top. Yeah, I mean, this is stuff that I do all the time. Data cleaning is maybe DeWitt. Bear with me a second. Come on. There we go. DeWitt. Capital W here and a small w here. So we're going to take this, well, I was going to. We'll make this W small, lowercase, hit enter, we'll save it. We'll attempt to do that join again, and it should work out this time. Join relates, join, it's going to be county L case, draw AADR, add, place residence, validate join, 254 records. That's what happens when you have mismatched records. Some records will never have a match. Sometimes you'll get you'll only have 252 records for counties because there's no data for some other counties, and you'll have to account for that. You'll learn as you progress as GIS practitioners how to compensate for that. But data cleaning is a big deal within GIS. So anyway, I am going to stop this, and I hope this helps you guys kind of see why you would want matching records, how you might find matching records, and why that's an important thing to have.